Me here, myself Mohit Sharma. I am grateful to get a chance to share a few words about Mission Life. Mission Life stands for Lifestyle for Environment. At the 2021, during the UN Climate Change Conference, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi, announced Mission Life in the presence of UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Prime Minister Modi describes the Mission Life as a global initiative of India to help the world in its fight against climate change. Prime Minister Modi stressed that the fight against climate change goes beyond policy making and it needs wider support from individuals to protect the environment and earth. Mission Life strengthens the spirits of P3 model, which stands for Pro Planet People. It is governed by the basic principle of lifestyle of the planet, for the planet and by the planet. People are experiencing the effects of climate change in their surroundings, and in the last few decades, unexpected calamities were witnessed. So, Mission Life encourages people to take simple but effective environment actions in their daily lives. Because more than two-thirds of the greenhouse gas emission can be attributed to household consumption and lifestyle. Prime Minister Modi said the Mission Life connects the paths of the people for the protection of this earth and teaches them to utilize in a better way. He added that the concept of the reduce, reuse, recycle and circular economy has been a part of Indian lifestyle for years. Mission Life is based on the mantra that every small action counts. PM Modi said that some people prefer dropping AC temperature at 17 degrees Celsius. This creates impact on the earth, on the environment. Instead of taking the temperature at 17 degrees Celsius, one should keep the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius and this will consume less electricity. Prime Minister Modi also give a piece of advice is that going to gym by car, one may choose to go to their destiny by walk. It will improve one's health and conserve fuel and energy. During the event, Prime Minister Modi also attended a bilateral meeting with the United Nations Secretary, Mr. General Antonio Guterres, who handsomely praised India for its initiatives towards the sustainable development and said that the Mission Life, which stands for Lifestyle for Environment, is the initiative is designed to highlight and hopeful truth. So it's a matter of pride for us that India is the first country to include lifestyle for environment. Has anyone ever thought why this mission was needed? According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, an estimated 18 acres of forest, which is roughly the size of the country of the Panama, are lost each year. As per the reports of WWF, some 46 to 58,000 square area miles of forest are lost each year, equivalent to 8 footballs field every minute. About half of the world's tropical forest has been cleared. It is estimated that in India, the forest has declined from 7,000 million hectares to only 2,300 million hectares. So, when the trees are cut down, their stored energy is released into the air as carbon dioxide. And this is how deforestation contribution to global warming, and this is how led the thinning of the ozone layer. If the current rate of deforestation continues, the world's rainforest vanish within 100 years and eliminating the majority of the plant and animal species on the planet. So our Indian Constitution also prescribes many fundamental duties. So one of the major fundamental duties listed is to protect and conserve the natural environment. So it's a duty and a responsibility of everyone to conserve the natural environment and help to improve the natural resources and our natural climate. So thank you everyone for listening me. Thank you very much.